All right. So there was a very important meeting that happened yesterday of the oil petroleum exporting companies, countries, OPEC. And the results of that wasn't unexpected, but it wasn't what I think everybody in Alberta was hoping for. There was no production freeze happening. Iran didn't show up to the meeting, and therefore we're going to see oil prices specifically probably go down, have downward pressure, as Anne-Marie likes to say, for the rest of the day today and perhaps the week. But we should see it stabilize again.
I heard potentially up until June.
Yeah, I mean, what's basically happening now is that we are going to be riding this wave for quite a while.
Yeah.
You know, supply of oil. We'll see what the numbers do, whether they go up or down.
You're taking Anne-Marie's segment away.
Sorry, I know, no, but it's like we have this stuff happening. You know, we're looking at what's coming up here, and I'm telling you guys right now, there is no rise in sight, in my opinion, and we'll hear Anne-Marie's opinion on this. Oil, I don't expect to be skyrocketing here anytime soon. So settle in. It's going to continue to be a strong market for buyers to have some good opportunity in, and you know, we'll see what happens. But the good news is that the weather is beautiful, and we have a bunch of people who there's been some pent-up demand because people are still have life changes that are required them to buy and sell real estate. And I think that with the weather coming out here, lots of people are going to be making that move and realize that they, you know, if they're going to settle in, they might as well settle in and make those decisions.
Right.
So, so we updated the stats as of 8:30 this morning. Go ahead. Price of oil. What's that?
Just read it.
Okay, well, she has your.
You're talking about oil. Talk about oil.
All right. So price of oil is down 39.24. That's not much. We expect to see a bit more of a slide today. Canadian dollar is sitting at 77.76 cents. That's up slightly, but we expect obviously that to move a little bit today as well.
Cool. As far as months of inventory go, this is a really cool slide actually. Well, coming up for the surrounding areas, but these numbers are getting really good. We'll talk about first of all our number of listings. Metro Calgary 6,453 versus 6,384 last week, and at Red Deer we're at 633 versus 625 last week.
Yeah, as far as months of inventory go, we are actually in a balanced market right this second. 3.89 months of inventory. That's down from 4.01 last week, which means that we are starting to see the effects of seasonality. As for single-family homes, well in balanced market territory, 3.05 months of inventory, and condos still sitting in that buyer's market, 5.83, sort of no help in sight for condos due to so much supply that's out there right now.
For surrounding areas, months of inventory, Okotoks, we are at 4.44, Airdrie 3.99, Cochrane 6.45, Strathmore at 7, Red Deer at 4.83.
Yeah, and our benchmark price is sitting at $442,800. We talked a little bit about what was in the news there, so I think the bottom line here is just expect to ride this wave of sort of moderate oil prices or low oil prices for a few more months to come at least.
Yeah, so, absolutely.
Yeah.